Today we got a video from Bodycam Tube, and the title of the video is When Gen Z Meets No Nonsense Cops at Airport.
On January 4th, 2024, airport officers were dispatched following a report that a man had stolen a cup from a restaurant located inside the airport.
Stole a cup?
How you doing? Did you get a cup from Burger 21?
Yes, she is.
All right, guy, listen. There's cameras all over the place. I'm gonna ask you one more time. Did you take a cup from Burger 21? You came there, you asked for water. No?
They just got water.
I'm sorry?
Got water and they wouldn't give it.
Okay, all right. So you carried the water in your hand
I got it from the fountain.
at Burger 21?
They didn't give me no cup. I didn't take no cup either. I went to the fountain.
You got an ID on you, sir? You don't? How'd you get through TSA without an ID?
With my birth certificate.
I'm sorry?
Birth certificate.
May I see it, please? Patrol 136, check on a gentleman's wearing blue Adidas sweatpants, some Timberlands, and a black jacket, has a brown curly afro. Manager of Burger 21 is identifying him as the person that took the cup. Just want to trust but verify. What time did this happen? Right after you called us?
Yeah. About 10 minutes ago. If you want to pay for it, she's willing to not press charges, make everybody's life easier. If you want to play the game.
2004. She said it's $3.75 for the cup. She gave you a water cup.
I just got a water.
I understand that, man, but you took it.
I don't even have $3 in change.
She'll get you change.
JetBlue flight 1365 to Cancun, Mexico.
She'll get it's $3.75. You got a 10. She will bring you back your change.
For this flight, please proceed to gate 814.
Okay, the cup is what costs them.
Approaching the boarding lane.
Give me no water.
Okay, Sammy, let me tell you how this works, okay? She offered you a water cup that was free.
She didn't offer for me.
Okay.
So I asked for it and she said no. So how the f are you gonna say no for water?
Yeah, well, so first of all, we're not going to curse because we're trying to work with you. We shouldn't be having this conversation right now. Okay? It's $3. $3.
All right.
You're gonna go to jail for $3
and 75 cents. Yes, yes, you are. She'll give you change. Give her the money. She'll give you the change. If you don't want to pay, we can do it the hard way. Your option. Are you going to pay for it, sir? Yes or no?
Hey, I like this cop right here. Yeah, that's how I was when I was a CO. I give you options. I'm a man of many options. We could do it this way or we could do it this way. You choose. You want to get locked up over $3? This is on you. This is your decision. We gonna get you together though. You know what I'm saying? Your bad behavior, you gonna get right. You know what I'm saying? I like this cop right here. He said, this is how it's gonna go. You gonna do it like this, or you could do it like this. I'm with whatever. Both ways work fine for me. It's your choice, man. Oh, I love it.
All right. Well, you can stay here. She'll bring you back your change.
No,
Okay, listen, man. Bring it down.
I'm not gonna trust you with my shit, bro. Calm the down, bro.
Oh yeah, he met the wrong one today, boy. I'll just take him for disorderly conduct. Shit. You want to get a smart mouth?
I said $3.75.
You said $3.
I said $3.75. Everything's recorded, sir.
Get them together. Get them together. Got no home training. Get his dumb ass together. I love it. Stupid ass.
Give me that hand!
Your parents ain't raised you better than that.
Patrol 136. Show me in custody with one.
Now my boy really took a L, and I'm gonna tell you why. Dumbass dude.
Stay there. Public disturbance, and you didn't pay. Did he give you money? Okay, we'll put in his bag. Public disturbance. All right. Turn around. Come on, Tuck. Yeah, no problem. You got him out?
Yo, I cannot leave, bro. You pulling on my shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, tough guy.
Couldn't breathe, you couldn't talk. Come on down here. Why'd you do it, Sammy? Yeah. Patrol 136. Can you get a vehicle for the Alpha truck?
Young dumb motherfucker, boy.
Alpha truck code, need a vehicle.
On the counter for no reason, bro.
I didn't slam your head, I put you down. Everything's recorded, bro. We're both wearing body cams. All right, your stuff is going to be put into the airport police department's lost and found. It's going to be inventoried. When you get out, you come and get it.
Nah, take it with me, bro.
No, it doesn't go. Jail won't take it.
Oh my God, that's my shit, bro. That's all
You
my.
won't have it.
Take it with me to jail. They won't take it.
They won't take it. That's what we're trying to tell you.
So I'm gonna go with no stuff.
Well, you'll go with your wallet ID and the cell phone if you
I
got
don't
it.
have none of that, bro.
You go with nothing there.
I promise you. Like I said, the body cam's on. Everything's recorded. We hold it for 30 days. Anything in his other pockets? Turn them around this way a little bit. Just plate them a little bit. Got some in the pockets here. We were headed to Las Vegas. What state? You live in New York still or no?
I live here.
You live here? You don't have an ID here at all? No driver's license, no learner's permit or nothing? I'm sorry? You do have a suspended license in Florida? Patrol 136, gentleman says he has a driver's license.
Look at this. See, and this is exactly why I don't fly Spirit. You probably can't see that because it's very blurry. But in the top right corner of that ticket, it is a Spirit ticket. This is the clientele that they have on Spirit. Oh boy. And they wonder why it's a train wreck. They wonder why it's a train wreck. Oh man, crazy. But this guy right here, remember I said earlier, I said this guy took a major L, and I'm gonna tell you why. That's what I said earlier. So now I'm about to tell you why. The officer gave him two options earlier. Said, look, you could pay the $375. She's willing to work it out. She ain't gonna press no charges. Just pay the $375. We good. Or I could take you to jail. Right? The guy was complaining about $3. Okay. But he ends up paying the $3. And he still ends up going to jail. You got see, the officer, he don't mind whichever way you want to take it. Whichever way you want to take it, he don't care. So you got both. So now you out of $3.75 and you going to jail because of your nasty attitude. Nasty.
36 gentleman says he has a driver's license in Florida, but it is suspended. He was on Spirit Airlines flight 1127 going to Las Vegas. Got any drugs or weapons on you? If you got anything, when you go down to the jail, it's extra charge. So if you got it, tell me now.
I just need my money and my stuff.
I'll go
My money is important too, and that jacket and all my clothes.
All right.
It's important. That's all I got.
What state were you born in?
New York.
New York. Patrol 136. Put his info in the CJI folder. Charges will be disturbance and resist without. Nothing back here. Come on, Sammy. You got any more?
Get any cash?
I put it in his pocket. This is naproxen.
That's antibiotic.
Yeah, this ain't an antibiotic.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. I know what naproxen is. This is for injuries. This is not. They can take this down at the jail. I don't know if it's prescription. But
You got a cycle?
he doesn't have one.
Oh, no.
It's on the. He has
Yeah,
a
you gotta get
birth,
through the air side or something, right?
birth certificate. That's all he had. His license is suspended. That's why he doesn't have an ID.
The man was charged with public disturbance.
Good work, man. Great work. I love it. I love it. Bravo, man. And you remind me of, yeah. I'm a man of many options, man. You choose. You the star of the show today. You choose how this gonna go. That's a fact. I love it. This is the first time I'm watching they stuff, body cam tube, and I love it. I love it. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm giving them a 5 out of 5, man. Beautiful job. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.